Viewers, our top focus: patients who are seeking treatment at government hospitals under the Bengaluru Medical College and Research Institute are in for a financial shock as medical service charges have been increased significantly. The hike is applicable to major hospitals including Victoria Hospital, Vani Vilas Hospital, Minto Hospital, Super Speciality Hospital, Trauma Care Centres. The government issued a circular notifying the increase in charges for several services effective immediately. First, let's play out the reaction of the Karnataka Minister and then we'll take you through the figures.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಯೂಸರ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ 10%, 20% ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಈಗ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆವಾಗಿನ ರೇಟ್ಗಳೇನಿತ್ತು ಇವಾಗಿನ ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಜನರಿಗೂ ಭಾರ ಅಂತ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಏನು ಆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದು ಹೊರೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏನು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನನಗೇನು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಣೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ವಾಟರ್ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವ, ಈ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಇದು ಅನಾವಶ್ಯಕ. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಏನು ರೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And getting a reaction from the BJP now that is hit out at Siddaramaia's model of governance. Let's listen in.
Congress government has assured 5 guarantees. In the name of guarantees, they have almost 18 months they have cheated the people of Karnataka. Now they could not able to maintain the guarantees, so that they are raising the percentage of service charges in all the hospitals and medical area. So Dinesh Gundurao is an incapable minister. Poorer section of the society is going to government hospitals to use the facilities of the medical things.
Yet another example of the khatakhat economics in Karnataka. Lab charges, treatment charges, diagnostic test charges have been increased by 15 to 20% in government-run medical college hospitals in Karnataka. Already, the prices have been increased, whether it's an OPD registration, whether it's the ward charges, whether it's charges for treatment, or whether it is charges for getting any of the tests done. This means the common man has to suffer even more. And the common man is suffering in Karnataka ever since the Congress party government has come, because Congress means loot and jhoot. First you give jhoota guarantees and then you loot the people. Muda scam, Valmiki scam, liquor scam, or you increase the prices. Water prices have been increased, petrol, diesel prices, stamp duty prices, milk prices. Every price and every tax has been imposed on the common man in Karnataka. And this is the Karnataka model of Congress party. They loot the people after giving jhoota guarantees.
And I want to go across to Sri Lakshmi, who's now joining us from our Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, we've clearly seen that this seems to be a government that does not understand that a luxury tax should not be imposed on the common man who's already suffering, and that's why going to these hospitals. Take us through the kind of political slugfest that we are seeing, but also how are the people in Bengaluru, in Karnataka, looking at this?
Well, Rhythm, firstly, we can see in the name of Waqf, government had issued notices to the lands of the farmers. Farmers were scared that their lands have been snatched. Later on, BPL card cancellation had happened, and so many thousands of BPL cards were cancelled or upgraded to APL cards, and people are getting confused every day. Government of Karnataka is introducing every day a new scheme which confuses the people because of these guarantee schemes. That's what the opposition party is criticizing the government. Today, leader of opposition R. Ashok visited government hospitals over here and listened to the woes of patients who were admitted over there. And it is already in private sector, in private hospitals, already the price is too high, which is completely unaffordable for poor and especially downtrodden. If government goes with this similar kind of pattern in healthcare sector as well, then it'll be definitely a huge big blow on the lives of poor and downtrodden. That's what I mean. It's a shock for normal people of Karnataka, because healthcare is a basic issue which government needs to give to people. Already the charges are already high, not low, but already are up to the mark. But still, Dinesh Gundurao is saying that they are hiking the charges nearly around 10 to 15%, or even more than that. But he's also saying that it is not to compensate the guarantee fund. It is not to accumulate fund for guarantee schemes. But on the other hand, it is also true that Congress MLAs, they themselves are claiming that they have not been given sufficient funds for developmental works for their areas due to these guarantee schemes. So on one hand, government is saying that it is successfully implementing guarantee schemes. During Maharashtra elections also, Siddaramaiah once again challenging Modi said that we are very successfully implementing guarantee schemes over here in Karnataka. But on the other hand, now the big question is whether the government is looting people, especially poor, by introducing such schemes like price hike in health sector and schemes like cancellation of BPL card. These schemes are going to directly affect the poor and downtrodden. And now people are getting really angry against this. We can even see this during by-elections also. Many talks were there regarding this guarantee schemes. Rhythm.
All right, thank you, Sri Lakshmi, for giving us those details. It's a top focus we'll continue tracking. Viewers, there's breaking news that's coming in. At least 10 people have been